Hi there and welcome to the personal property tour for 4 Haughgate Avenue in Leven. This lovely upstairs 2-bedroom flat is an ideal investment opportunity or start to any portfolio given the long-standing tenant currently in situ. This property benefits from 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and a stunning kitchen that you'll see further on in this video. So as always, if this is the property for you or you'd like to have a look around, click the link below or call the team on 01333 421 774. Now let's have a look around. So heading up the entranceway into the property, there's a small garden space to the rear. So this is the door for number 4 here. We've got this patch of land here, the fenced off area you can see, as well as the red shed just in front that comes with the property. So a few steps up, nice front door takes us into the entranceway. As mentioned, upstairs flat, so small flight of stairs to come up. Lots of natural light running through this property. And into the hallway. So firstly, we're greeted by bedroom number 1. As mentioned, long-standing tenant in situ. Cupboard space just off to the left hand side and views out the window to the rear garden. Through to the extra large living room, really nice space. Lots of natural light running through that large window out the front. Again, further storage off in the corner and what used to be a previous fireplace but still left in situ there. Nice quiet street outside, not on a main road, so there's not loads of traffic running past the property. Takes us in to the second bedroom. Again, well looked after, not lots of natural light. And further storage just off in the corner there, and again views out to the rear garden. As mentioned, long-standing tenant in situ currently, so the property would come tenanted. So single bathroom, plenty of space though, lovely tiles on the wall, again, really nice condition. With an overhead shower and bath as you can see, and then round the corner just to the vanity space behind the door there. Now moving through the kitchen, really nice kitchen. So you've got your gas hob, cooker below, extractor fan, all in working order as you'd expect. Really nice condition, and lots of worktop space in this kitchen and plenty of storage as well, as you can see. Again, views out to the road, nice and quiet. And a great investment opportunity. Newly opened Skinny Tavern just across the road. And again, more storage just opposite the bathroom space there. So plenty of storage with this property. And again, great investment opportunity at the price point that the property is coming to the market. So we'll pause for a minute there. We'll go through the property in a bit more detail and how we can help bring this property into your portfolio. So that concludes the personal property tour of 4 Haughgate Avenue in Leven. A lovely 2-bedroom upstairs flat with plenty of natural light and surrounded by local amenities. Shops just at the end of the road and the Skinny Tavern newly opened just across the road in a lovely quiet area in the heart of Leven. As mentioned, a great investment opportunity or start to any portfolio that I'm sure you'll agree is a great opportunity. So as always, if this is the property for you, click the link below, message me directly or call the team on 01333 421 774. Craig at 5 Properties TV. Take care.